OEM look and perfect fit plug and play, no wire cutting. Your browser does not support HTML5 video. I've had them for 1 month so far, no problems. Much brighter than stock turn signals, good fit and easy to install. Well made and looks very nice on my 2018 Q60. Would be nice if they came with instructions. Also, to know how to hook up the daytime running lights. Has anyone figured out how to hook those wires up? Cool turn signal lights for your Infiniti. Pretty easy installation. 1. Take off mirror cover. 2. Unscrew existing turn signals. 3. Unplug everything. 4. Plug in new turn signals. 5. Done. Now, I had an issue with the wires not working with my car, but was sent a replacement and is working fine. Make sure everything is in right and test before putting everything back in together. Have gotten a lot of compliments, so highly recommend. Wow, works great and very visually pleasing. Quality seems to be pretty decent. Was a bit difficult to install without instructions though. Not a quick plug and play for all features. Fits perfectly into the 2015 Q50s. But had some difficulty with the installation because of the 360 view cameras holding the bottom trim on. But I managed and got it installed. Looks great. Installed rather easily on 17 Q60. It wasn't plug and play like some other viewers said. I had to cut off the factory harness to hardwire using some butt connectors. I only connected the turn signal wires, not the DRL or puddle lamps, because I didn't want to remove the door panel. Maybe I'll get to that another day. Quality seems good. The weather stripping on this is actually better than the OEM indicators. Would be great if they came with instructions. But I figured it out and they look great. Not the easiest install but totally worth it. Looks super good and quality is nice. I did also get the carbon caps and got all installed at once. Click link in description for more reviews.